So these roses are cuttings that were put in early winter, so I think like May, June, and we are now in October. Some of these cuttings have taken, as you can see, others haven't, but that is to be expected because not all will take. That's just because, you know, certain conditions, some go and some just don't. But I have not watered this bed at all. I've used sawdust as my insulator, which retains moisture, regulates temperature. So some will go and some don't. I'll show you the other bed. Some more roses coming up out of the sawdust. The reason I covered them so much is because I want them to develop root systems as opposed to leaves. Actually a raspberry in there, if you can see it. So, you know, it's a long waiting game. We'll see, even though there doesn't look like much on top, there could be a lot of things going on underneath. Again, same time, like around May, this was planted. Here's actually some rose seedlings that have grown from seed. Here's some more. Really little, but obviously everything grown from seed is little. And here's some rose cuttings that are a week old in my hothouse. These are a week old. You can see there's some tiny little shoots coming out. A couple more. And so that's all you do. Water every day in a, you know, somewhat humid environment. Hothouse is great. And let nature do the rest.